Welcome back to Wheelcraft Studio, where the sky is never the limit, and today we're diving straight into the skies with the 2025 Microsoft Flight Simulator, a marvel that continues to push the boundaries of virtual aviation. This latest iteration is nothing short of a technical masterpiece, blending stunning visuals, real-time weather systems, and an expanded world map with hyper-realistic flight physics. It's designed to offer enthusiasts and professionals alike the most immersive experience, yet the game introduces a new volumetric cloud system that dynamically reacts to light, wind, and real-world meteorological data, resulting in skies that look and behave just like the real thing. From sunrises bursting with warm hues to thunderstorms that feel alive, this flight simulator redefines what we expect from environmental realism. The terrain rendering now integrates updated satellite imagery and AI-generated 3D modeling powered by Azure Cloud Computing. This allows for even remote regions to be faithfully recreated right down to the individual building. The roads winding through valleys or the shimmering waters of coastal bays. Every inch of the planet has received a noticeable upgrade compared to previous versions, and that makes low-altitude flying as breathtaking as soaring through the stratosphere. The 2025 version adds an enhanced aircraft library with new additions like the Boeing 777X and a reworked Concorde model, along with ultra-detailed cockpits and customizable flight dynamics for each plane. These aircraft are not only beautifully modeled but also tuned for authenticity, ensuring the controls' responsiveness and aerodynamic behavior mirrors their real-life counterparts. For those seeking next-level realism, there's a new failure system letting users simulate in-flight emergencies, bird strikes, and technical malfunctions, which challenges players to think like real pilots and react under pressure. Training modules have also been overhauled with AI co-pilots that guide beginners, while veterans can delve into advanced scenarios including VFR navigation, IFR operations, and transcontinental flights under changing weather patterns. The user interface has been redesigned for fluid accessibility, providing cleaner menus, easier navigation, and quicker access to mission types, world exploration tools, and multiplayer hubs. Speaking of multiplayer, the 2025 version pushes community engagement forward with global events, real-time traffic, and cross-platform connectivity. Whether flying with a friend over the Himalayas or participating in a live airshow over Paris, the collaborative elements bring the virtual aviation world to life even more. A brand new feature called World Events introduces weekly challenges based on actual aviation events or historical missions, giving players something fresh and exciting to try every week. On the technical side, the game has been optimized for next-gen hardware with support for 4K and 8K resolutions, ray tracing, and advanced frame generation, delivering ultra-smooth performance even during complex city flyovers or high-traffic airport scenarios. For VR users, there's a major boost in immersion with improved headset support and eye-tracking integration, allowing for realistic cockpit interaction and greater situational awareness. Performance on mid-range PCs has also been fine-tuned with scalable graphics settings that don't compromise on quality yet keep the experience accessible for a broader audience. Sound design is another major win in this edition, with authentic engine roars, wind turbulence, cabin ambience, and ATC chatter captured from real-world sources. Dynamic audio mixing ensures every sound shifts based on aircraft location, weather, and cockpit environment, making each moment of flight sonically engaging. From the subtle hum at cruising altitude to the rush of air during a steep descent, everything feels alive and responsive. One of the most talked about aspects of this version is the integration of AI-generated air traffic controllers with natural language capabilities, allowing for smooth and intuitive ATC communication. This adds both realism and functionality, removing previous limitations of pre-scripted radio interactions and adding depth to every flight. From gate-to-gate modding and third-party development also see a major leap forward, with new SDK tools letting creators build their own aircraft, airports, and weather effects with easier integration into the Sim's vast online marketplace. With all of these improvements, Microsoft Flight Simulator 2025 stands as the pinnacle of virtual aviation. Whether you're a seasoned pilot or a curious newcomer, it offers an unforgettable journey above the clouds that keeps evolving with each update. This simulator isn't just a game, it's a living, breathing world that invites exploration and mastery. Subscribe now and stay tuned with Wheelcraft Studio for more sky-breaking content.